Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel. I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video, we'll show you how to use add your sticker on Instagram. Now we'll open Instagram and show you how you can use this feature. After opening Instagram, then you have to go to your Instagram story and you can use any picture or you can use camera. So we'll use camera and we'll take a new picture. And then you can use this color. You have to hold the picture and you can use any color. You can use this one or this one. So we'll use this one. And then you have to click on done. And then click on stickers. And then here you will see add yours. If you don't see, you can search it from here in search menu. So we'll click from here. And then here you can write down anything. After writing, here in the middle you will see dice. You can swipe and you can change the text. So once you will finalize, you can resize this one. And then you have to click on send. Click on share. Click on done. So our story is now ready. We'll click on it. And now if anyone wants to add any picture, then they have to just click on add picture and then they can also add their picture. So other people can also contribute with add your sticker. They have to click on add yours, and then here in the bottom you will see statics. You can see how many people has just contributed in your add your stickers. So this is how you can also use add yours on Instagram. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.